Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber. And on this channel, we review fragrances and body care. And we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. But that's okay. Just subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family. Hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family. I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. Honey, this is my July tray. Can you believe we're in July? Ugh, crazy. And baby, it is hot, hot, hot. The heat is hot, hot, hot. Are y'all hot? I am hot, okay? It has been in the 90s. I know some of my friends in other cities, you all have been in the 100. Woo! Some of my friends and family, y'all are reaching 100 plus. Ooh! I can't. So with this hot heat, as you all know, I've been doing theme trays. And so this, for the month of July, we are going to do my white floral tray. Okay. So I have been into very much white floral for whatever reason. I have been hard on wearing floral fragrances, but I wanted to really center, because you know we can go into all different types of florals, but I really wanted to center my tray around white floral because I just think it's so pretty. I've really been enjoying it on my skin and I've been getting compliments, so I don't know, it's looking good for me, you know, in the hot heat with the white florals. You know, sometimes white florals can be very much and nasty. You're like it's giving me a little bit of a very mature experience. But, you know, there are some fragrances out there in the white floral world that to me gives you a little sexy. You can do it every day. You can go for dinner nights, dinner days, or, you know, brunch days. Maybe you're doing a dinner day because, honey, lately my dinners have been in the afternoon. So maybe you are doing all of those different events. You're on a boat, you're on vacation, and maybe you want to wear a white floral. Well, honey, that's what I'm doing for my tray. I would love to know. Comment down below. What are you going to do for your tray? But we gonna stick with the white floral. So let's get into it really quick. We have Finery, okay, without a trace. And this one has neroli in it. So this also has like your cedar wood. I think this would be really good for me for my everyday kind of quick grab and go, easy reach type of fragrances. I know that I've said that this reminds me of like my cousin, right? Gives me kind of those vibes of what she smells like. However, I really feel like I really want more easy reach fragrances because I'm in the house a little bit more. You know, I'm not always out and about because, honey, it's hot. So I'm just not always outside. I know there's people that thrive outside. Honey, I'm not one of the thrivers outside. I be inside, okay? I am not always by the pools and the beach. And no, I'm gonna be in the AC. So I have a lot more easy reach, as you will see on my tray. This one I believe is so good. We have Elegantly Tokyo, and that is from Zara collection. I believe that has jasmine in it, but it is such a good floral. I think if you are really trying to dip your pinky toe into white floral and you're like, hey sis, I think I like it, but I don't know. I just really don't know, sis. I would say start there because one, it is affordable. I believe it is a very light white floral and very refreshing for those who are just starting out with getting to know white floral. I believe it would be really good. So I'm suggesting that if you're wanting to, you know, see and dip, do that. Also, another fresh and aquatic type of white floral that has jasmine in it would be your Wisteria Blue. And this is from Nest Fragrance. Oh, it is beautiful. It also has rose in it. So if you are looking for also a rose fragrance that is a easy reach, I would highly suggest it. It is so pretty. Now, does it last? No, it's very much a close to skin scent, but I believe for this hot heat, that's the type of vibes I'm into. So, you know, to each his own, but that's where I'm going. Another floral jasmine, but really gives me a little bit more tropical. It gives me this honey note in here. I would say, I've talked about this before, but the Harmonious Moon Glory, it definitely gives me tropical honey, but it is so pretty because that dried down, that musk, that woody notes that are in it. It is so pretty to me. So I don't know, family, if you have that, highly would recommend you get your nose on it. Sometimes honey can go really well for people and sometimes not so much. So that's not one that I would say, hey, blind buy this, you're gonna love it. Nah, I ain't doing that. I'm not gonna tell you that. Not for them coins. Okay, that's a coin. But I would suggest it if you like a honey note, if you're looking for something more tropical, but you're looking also for a white floral that gives this tropical feel. The Harmonious Moon Glory is your thing to get, right? Next up, one that is new to my collection. My sis Chi Chi welcomed me to the Valaya Club, and I appreciate her so much as always. And so I am a part of the Valaya Club. So cute. She's so cute. You know, she's just like quiet and cute and just, she's so pretty. Anyway, she has Lily of the Valley. We have some bergamot in this, but it also has white peach. So it gives me this fruity. It is so pretty on me. And yeah, I've been loving her, life, and she's been rocking with me. I'm excited. Then I have Rouge Malachite, and this is from the Privé line of Giorgio Armani. Now that is tuberose on top of tuberose on top of tuberose. So if you don't like a tuberose note, you're probably not going to like that fragrance because it has tuberose in the top notes, it has tuberose in the middle notes, and in the base notes. So you're getting a heavy dose of that floral. Okay, so I love it. I believe it gives me really good date night sexiness. It's so good and pretty on my body, right? And it might not go with everyone's, but I really do enjoy it. Another one I do enjoy, but maybe not be everybody's jam, is this Passoir. So that BDK Passoir, like, it has this jasmine note and orange blossom, but I think to me, if I were to be turned off by this, it would probably be because of like the woodiness in it or the patchouli, you know? So that might not be, and the black pepper, I would also say. So that might not be people's jam, but I do like it, and it's really unique and it's really good to me in this weather. Yeah, I've been really enjoying it. Wanted to put it on my tray so bad, and clearly I did a good job because it's on my tray. But I really do enjoy it. Those that have Passoir would love to know your thoughts. Those that have tried it and maybe you didn't really get with it, I would love to know your thoughts too. Like, what turned you off by it? You know, just so everybody has different thoughts on fragrances. We would love you to help, you know, the family community so that, you know, people will know whether they want to try it or not, right? Sharing is caring. Next up, I have another one from Giorgio Armani, not from the Privé line, but this is Acqua di Gioia, and this is a citrus green white floral type of fragrance. She will rock with me until the rocking is like, I've gotten that, I think, I got that like maybe 2-3 years ago or something like that. But it has this jasmine in it as well, but to me it's like a watery, aquatic type of jasmine. It also has mint. I believe it also has lemon in it. So it is really good to me and on my body, but because it's a little bit of an older fragrance, you might be able to really get it at a really good steal deal. So I would try to look for it on a third-party site if you're interested in it. I think it will, if you're looking for like an aquatic, watery jasmine or white floral type of scent, you would probably lean more towards that. Like, I absolutely adore it. I love it. Yeah. Next up, oh my goodness, it finally came. I've been waiting for it. It was supposed to be a part of my birthday haul, but Miss Pink Magnolia from Loewe is what I just recently purchased. I was in Neiman Marcus and I was like, okay, I know what I want to smell. I smelled the Pink Magnolia and I fell in love instantly. And I said, I want it. I need it. And you know what they told me? You know what they told me at Neiman Marcus Fragrance Heaven? You know what they told me? They said, we are out of stock. I said, you is lying. You is lying. And the truth is not in you is so out? Is that what you said? Oh my goodness. I was like, wow, I really wanted it. When I purchased Valaya as well at the same Neiman Marcus when I was in Miami, right? And so I was like, okay, oh my gosh, my mind, I can't stop thinking about it. So I actually purchased it and found it on Joma Shop. Yeah, you heard me. And it was at a better deal. What? Yeah. And I just smelled it and I was like, let me see if it smells the same. It does. It's real. It's the same bottle. But this not only has Magnolia, which is a white floral, this also has red fruits. So it just gives you this berry floral. It is the prettiest thing. And Kyra, I'm Unique here on YouTube and Aaliyah's Face were talking about this fragrance. And I was like, should I? No, I really want to smell it before I like blind buy something like that. When I tell you they ain't never lied, it's really good. And I cannot wait to put it on my body. So I am so glad that is a white floral so I can put it on my tray. Because you know we're going to be talking about it, okay? There will probably be a video up soon about it and my experiences with it. So I am truly excited to have Pink Magnolia from Loewe on my tray. And with me, it finally came. Honey, it took like all month to get here, okay? Next up, we have Amazing Grace Jasmine. And that's from Philosophy. Yes, I got that maybe about 2 years ago and it was in Sephora. When I tell you, if you want a good jasmine, an easy reach, but smelling very fresh and just beautiful. Oh my goodness. Just like you took the best soothing, pretty bath that you have ever expected. You just dipped yourself in gloriness. Like that's what that smells like. I ain't lying. That's what it smells like. It smells just like that. So if you can find that, if you have seen it, grab it, get it. Don't think twice, okay? Even if you do not like jasmine or white floral, I would still highly suggest it. It's amazing. It's amazing, easy reach. I mean, it sits close to your body, but when I tell you, you smell fresh and clean and just like expensive, okay? I'll say it. Yeah, I said it about Philosophy. You heard me. I said it. Yeah, I'm going to bring it back up because you heard what I said. I said Philosophy, Amazing Grace, Jasmine. Yeah, it smells like you rich. I said it. Okay. And if that's not your experience, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe like everybody else be telling us to exfoliate. I don't know. But, but it is so good, family. I promise you. Had to put it on my tray. It's amazing. I'm going to get my life. Okay. Next up, I had to put her back on my tray. I feel like I just had her, but YSL Lieb. Honey, I feel like I can't do a white floral tray without putting the Dom on there. I feel like I can't. It's like, who are you talking about? If you don't put me on there, you definitely ain't talking about no white floral. Oh my goodness. Talk about expensive and feeling just classy. Like that fragrance gives me that all the time. Every day, all day. You know, some people love it, some people hate it. To each his own, right? But it smells expensive and it does my body good. I'm cool with her. We ain't got no issues. Okay. Next up, you all laugh at me about this bottle and the legs, which is so fun and funny. I love it. But Scandal Le Parfum. Oh my gosh. Yes, it has white floral, but also, yes, it has caramel. So we got a gourmand white floral on the tray. Who you talking to? Okay. We could not have gourmand and white floral on this tray. It ain't gonna work. So those who like a good caramel scent and you want to smell sexy and not scandalous, I will say, but it's definitely it gives you ready, set, go vibes. Okay. You heard me. So it is so pretty. I would highly recommend. Beginning my life, you all know I got that as a part of my birthday haul. See, I've been into jasmines. Like, hello. I mean, look, it's real here. You know, I just show you all what I've really been into, and I put it on my tray, and we call it a theme. And last but certainly not least, I feel like I have not given her the love. Like the hairspray of it, yes. I've given like the hair mist of this fragrance all the love. Like I don't think I have any left. But the actual fragrance, I feel like I just miss out. And this time I'm going to really make full attempts to get with K. Alley Deja Vu White Flower. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I am going to use her more and more, being intentional about it. Really, even if it's a combination, I am going to reach for her more for the month of July on this tray, because I need to put a little bit more dent, because I feel like I mean, I love the scent, but I feel like I be doing her wrong, you know? No shade. I just feel like I be treating her like the stepchild or something. Like, what's wrong with me? I think that's a me thing, right? Like, I need to get some help over here, you know, help. But, okay, Deja Vu is so pretty and good. And I don't know, and it has vanilla in it too. Like, I don't know why I treat her like I do. So I'm going to change it around. And I do apologize ahead of time. Warm regards, hi, ... sign, signature, sign, seal, deliver. Okay, like I really apologize, because yeah, we gonna work that out. We gonna change that. Family, I would love to know, what will you be rocking and wearing in the month of July? Make sure you comment down below and let me know all the tea. Spill the tea. I need to know. I feel like I've been doing good on my purchasing. And I haven't been going crazy, but I feel that itch. If anybody knows what that itch is, yeah, your sis is having that itch. Okay, it is what it is. But make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you had a good time, a good laugh. And family, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace, okay? And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. You better tell them, okay? Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.